Yeah, hi guys. I'm Chef Alison Porter Smalling, and I'm here today to feature some products, some very new products that's been on the stands for a while. And the first one we tried out today it's called Nella's Tendaroni. It's in the supermarkets. It's a sweet potato pasta, so it is really good, very healthy, easy to cook. I did a chicken Alfredo pasta with it, and I did a vegetarian with like olive oil, nothing else. And it was perfect. It was very light, not too heavy, doesn't need to cook long. It's perfect. And then we did some grilling of the chicken and pork ribs, and we utilized some products from Smart Choice. And this one I have here is a mango, which went perfect with the vegetable skewers that I did today. So it's also on the shelves. It's really, really good. And he also has a pineapple. He has a guava, which is perfect with pork. And he also has a pineapple barbecue sauce. That was excellent on the chicken. Remember, guys, it's all Scotch bonnet. It's really, really good.
The idea behind our pasta has been around about 3 years in development. Started one day delivering, or I should say, distributing sweet potato flour, and then came up with the idea of how about converting some of these other ingredients into value-add products such as sweet potato pasta, sweet potato chips, sweet potato snacks, a whole line of value-add products. And this is the first iteration of our first rollout. It has been great. The feedback has been tremendous and encouraging. We have a lot of support from the vegan community, from the vegetarian community, and overall people are looking to have a healthy alternative. This seems to be a very good hit because it's a way you can enjoy. It's also flexible. You can do it as a cold meal, a hot meal. It can be a side dish, it could be a main dish, and it's very flexible. A lot of nutrition and health benefits from it as well. There's high fiber, there's a significant amount of protein, potassium, riboflavin, and the list goes on. But all in all, it's a very healthy product. It's also, I would say, like a signal as to how Jamaicans can start cultivating other value-add products from our ingredients that we grow locally. Jamaica's first official Jamaican sweet potato pasta.
I live in Jamaica 7 years now. I started to farm. I wanted to change my life. I started to farm. I grew pepper. It did not work out the way it planned, but I learned a lot about agriculture. I learned a lot about Scotch bonnet, which I had not known before I had been in Jamaica the first time. Fell in love with it and started to do sauce. So my first try was for a wedding 4 years back, and also for the Christmas I came up with some flavors, and I added fruit to the straight pepper. There are 5 peppery flavors. Unplugged is the one that's pure pepper only, no sugar added, no water added, no cornstarch added, just pepper, 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 which is why it's so intense. But people love it. And when you open the bottle, you smell the fresh pepper. That's what I like. And the other ones with the fruit is a combination. People have asked me, how did you think of that? And my answer is always, how could you not think of that? Then the new one, which is here. Spicy pineapple barbecue. Try it out, it fits fantastically because it's a combination of the barbecue with the pineapple and a touch of pepper. Enjoy it.